Hey there, science fans! Have you ever baked a cake twice, following the exact same recipe, but ended up with slightly different results? Maybe one cake was a tad fluffier, or the frosting had a slightly different texture. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Just like in baking, variations are a natural part of any measurement we take, whether in a lab or in our everyday lives. We might use a measuring cup for our cake ingredients or sophisticated instruments for scientific experiments, but there will always be tiny variations in our results. These variations don't mean we're doing something wrong, it's just the nature of measurement. The key is to understand and account for these variations to make sure our results are reliable. That's what we're going to explore in this exciting journey into the world of measurement uncertainty and within-lab reproducibility. Get ready to become a measurement master. Imagine you're an archer, aiming for the bullseye. You take careful aim and release the arrow. Bullseye, you do it again and again. But wait, not all the arrows hit the exact same spot. They're clustered around the bullseye, some closer than others. Measurement uncertainty is like that cluster of arrows. It's the range around our measured value where the true value likely lies. Think of it like a margin of error for our measurements. This uncertainty comes from various sources like the precision of our instruments and even the methods we use. For example, using a ruler with millimeter markings will give us a more precise measurement than using a ruler with only centimeter markings. Knowing the measurement uncertainty helps us understand how much confidence we can have in our results. A smaller uncertainty means we are more certain about the true value. Within lab reproducibility is all about getting consistent results when we repeat the same measurement in the same lab, under the same conditions. Think of it like baking that cake again, using the same oven, ingredients and recipe. We want to see how similar our cakes turn out. Many factors can affect reproducibility. Slight variations in the equipment, environmental conditions like temperature and humidity, and even the operator's skills can all contribute to differences in results. To improve reproducibility, it's crucial to use well-maintained equipment, control the environment as much as possible, and make sure everyone follows the same procedures carefully. So, why does all this matter? Well, reliable results are essential for making informed decisions in all areas of science, industry, and even our daily lives. Imagine a medical lab analyzing blood samples. Accurate and reproducible results are crucial for making correct diagnoses and treatment decisions. Or, think about manufacturing a car. Every component needs to meet specific measurements to ensure the car functions safely and reliably. By understanding and controlling measurement uncertainty and within-lab reproducibility, we can minimize errors, ensure compliance with standards like ISO 17025, and make confident decisions based on reliable data. Remember, variations are a natural part of measurement, but by understanding them, we can gain valuable insights and make the world a more precise and reliable place.